today. I don't read the instructions. So with a hammer, we're first going to remove the door panel. What's good? It's the Hunter Hofman back with insane content! In this video, we're going to install the latest set of speakers and subwoofers from Bavsound. Bavsound was kind enough to sponsor the channel and provide the M3 with upgrades to improve the car whilst keeping it looking OEM. Just how I like it. I like that. So let's quickly get to the storage facility and get started. Alright, so here we have all the goodies that Bavsound sent to me. So these are their latest subwoofers, and they look pretty awesome. I mean, look at this. They do feel very sturdy and of high quality. And I like the new dark blue color. So these are the 8-inch Ghost underseat woofers. Wait a minute. Exactly the same. Yeah, these are indeed exactly 8 inches. So then we have the rest of the speakers and the tweeters. They all feel very sturdy and of good quality. Good stuff. Alright, so let's get these bad boys installed. Alright, so as I've already showed the install in full with the BMW M2 I had, which is basically the same process, check out the link over here. I'm gonna speed things up for the purpose of not bringing out repetitive content. Alright, so to get to the subwoofers, we would first need to remove the seats. You would need to remove these 2 T50 bolts. Whoa. Man, that's trippy. And then also the 2 T50 bolts on the other side. Then you would need to disconnect the seat belt and disconnect the harness under the seat. Alright, so now that we've removed the seats, we can get to the subwoofers right here. What's this? Old receipts. Frame damage repairs. Respraying side of the car after crash damage. Imitation M3 CS wheels. Imitation M Performance exhaust tips. AliExpress. What the Okay, so then we remove this panel and the old subwoofer, and now we're gonna plug in the new one. So then it's a matter of putting the connector in the subwoofer. Ooh. And now it's a matter of putting everything back together and put back in the seat. Alright, so now it's time for the install of the speakers and the tweeters in the door. The tweeters will be installed over here and the speakers over here. So with a hammer, we're first going to remove the door panel. I'm pretty sure this was the right tool. Let me check the instructions. So with a plastic tool, we're first going to pop the door panel off. So then we replace the speaker and the tweeter, then pop back in the door panel. Alright, so after doing the other speakers and subwoofers off camera, let me quickly show you how the speakers and tweeters on the panel behind the back seat are done. Alright, so after doing all the speakers, subwoofers, and tweeters off camera, including this one, we're now going to go ahead and have the first listen to the new speakers. If you want to see the complete walkthrough of the install of the speakers, check out the video with the M2 over here. Alright, time for some music. Great. I mean, it's super crisp. And the bass is just, yeah, this is pretty awesome. Yeah, this is very awesome. I mean, I feel like I could dance to this shit, man. I'm a happy camper. Very happy. Alright guys, so that was it. I really like the improvement of the sound quality. This stuff was very easy to install and the quality of it is simply amazing.